Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure they share the same Wi-Fi, ideally a 5 GHz band for smoother video. Once done, enable the target device's casting receiver or AirPlay so it can accept connections. Open the mirroring app on your source device and grant the requested permissions: network, microphone if needed, and storage, because the app needs these to stream and record. This step prevents permission, prompts mid-session, and speeds up the connection process, so you can move to pairing immediately. Now you pair. Pick the target device from the app's available list and confirm any shown PIN or accept pairing requests on the receiving screen. Next, choose the display resolution and audio source. Set 60Hz for fast motion like gaming, or 30Hz for slides to save bandwidth. Make sure scaling and orientation options match your use. Rotate or lock orientation so the image fits. Also toggle the microphone if you plan to narrate. This ensures sound routes correctly and avoids later sync issues. Start the mirror and inspect latency and audio sync immediately. If video lags or audio drifts, lower resolution or switch to a wired network to improve stability. Once finished, stop or disconnect through the app so streaming doesn't continue in the background and drain battery. If you hit problems, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both devices and the router, then reopen the app. This resolves 80% of connection issues. If it still fails, check firewall or router settings and ensure the device names match exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.